Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorials of object oriented programming with Java. In this session we will discuss about unit 7, that is the Java FX and event driven programming and animation. This is Rajul Suthar, assistant professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bhat Gandhinagar. Please like and subscribe the channel. So in this Java FX, we will discuss about the Java FX basic and event driven programming as well as animation. What do you mean by Java FX? What is Java FX? The Java FX was developed by Chris Oliver. Earlier it was from follow the function 3, F3 means form follow function, that is called F3. Later on the Sun Microsystem had acquired its Java FX. The Java FX, its first version, that is a 1.0, was released in 2008, then Java FX 1.2 in 2009, and latest version Java FX 1.8, which was released on 18 March 2014. Later on various version will be available in market. The Java FX is a software platform or library to develop the desktop application. It provides the rich internet application, that is called RIA, which can run on desktop, browser and mobile. It is an open source and a replacement of a Swing framework. The Java FX make easy to create a modern looking graphical user interface with a sophisticated visual effect. The Java FX provides its own component, so it does not depend on the operating system. Let me start the session and we will discuss one by one. So what is the first definition of Java FX, or we can say that Java FX is a Java library used to build the rich internet application. Here remember the word RIA, that means rich internet application. The application developed using the Java FX can run on various devices such as a desktop, computer, mobile phone, TV or tablet. Then to develop the GUI application using the Java programming language, the programmer rely on a libraries such as a Advanced Window Toolkit, that is called AWT, and Swing. After the advent of Java FX, the Java programmer can now develop the GUI application. GUI is nothing but the graphical user interface. Means the user can drag and drop as well as click on particular area and it will be reflect the particular action. Like if you working with the website like online shopping, so user can add a particular item in a cart as well as it will be searched by categories. All the functionality performed by using mouse, so that is called the GUI, graphical user interface. So this type of activity covered in Java FX. Need for Java FX, why we require the Java FX? So here, to develop the client side application, we all familiar two types of application available: server side application as well as client side. We can say that window application as well as web application. To develop the client side application with the rich features, the programmer used to depend on various library to add the features such as media, UI controls, web, 2D as well as 3D graphics. Java FX provide a rich set of graphics and media, that API. It leverages the modern graphical graphical processing unit through the hardware accelerated graphics. The Java FX mainly it contains the rich set of API which it help to develop the rich internet application which can run consistently across many platforms. There are various built-in components which are interconnected. We will discuss in architecture. But here one can use the Java FX with a JVM. We all familiar with the JVM is a Java virtual machine. So Java FX is based on JVM. This technology such as Java Groovy, and JRuby. If developer have the it choose means opt for the Java FX, there is no need to learn the additional technology. Java cover the totally latest technology. If you working with the Android developer, if you are Android developer or you are trying to create the Android application, so also required the basic knowledge of Java. If you are creating the some large application, web API as well as socket programming, that type of a program, so also Java is required. So Java is required everywhere. So basic of Java must be clear. What is the features of Java FX? It written in the Java, then F XML. It is a scene builder as well as a Swing interoperability, built-in UI controls, CSS like cascading style sheet, Canvas and printing API it's covered. Also cover the rich set of API, application program interface, and integrated graphics library also covered in Java FX. Graphics pipeline, that is a most advanced feature in Java FX. Let me try to understand the architecture of Java FX. So Java FX contains the rich set of API, we all familiar. It helps to develop the rich internet application which can help consistency across many platforms. Here various component of Java FX like Java FX API, then screen graph, we require the quantum toolkit, then Java FX graphics engine. This graphics engine cover the some of the component like media component, we require the libraries, toolkit, WebKit. So let me check one by one. Prism as well as Windows 32 GTK, then Glass and OpenGL D3D, WebView, so we require the WebKit, and media by using GStream. And this architecture also cover the JDK API toolkit, Java development kit, and application program interface. We also require the toolkit, and JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So this is a total architecture of Java FX. Remember this, all the point, each and every component. Here package means Java FX API cover the package like Java FX.animation, Java FX.application, Java FX.collection, concurrent, embed.swing. We will discuss one by one each and every component if you are discussing properly. So this 7 marks of question will be completed. In this type of a question asked in GTU exam, like 7 marks of question or 3 to 4 marks of question to discuss each and every component individually. So let me try to understand the component. First we will start with the Java FX API. So Java FX API that cover the number of package as well as like its description. Here screen graph, second is one screen graph. Screen graph is the starting point of the construction of GUI application. It holds the GUI application primitive that are termed as a node. We can say that the other word is a node. A screen graph is a tree data structure most commonly found in a graphical application and libraries like video game, vector editing tools, 3D libraries. A screen graph presents the content of a scene. What is the actual scene will be present in your screen. Means node is a visual or a graphical object of a scene graph. A node may be 2D or 3D graphics object like circle, rectangle, polygon, and a user interface control like button, checkbox, choice box, text area. All these cover into the scene graph. So node is a visual graphical object and it may be include geometrical graphical object, UI controls, container and media elements. Then Prism. What is the use of Prism? Here Prism is a high performance hardware accelerator graphical pipeline that is used to render the graphics in JavaFX. It can render both 2D and 3D graphics. It covers the 2D as well as 3D graphics. We can say that it cover into the graphics engine. So what is the use of graphic engine? JavaFX graphic engine is used to support the graphic to scene the particular graph. 2D and 3D graphic is supported by graphic engine while creating the graphic application. It is essential to render the object and refresh the particular screen. The Prism is a high performance hardware accelerator graphics. It used to render the graphics. It can be rendered in 2D or 3D graphics. To render the graphics, Prism use DirectX 9. This type of a word heard in I think previously installed OS like XP as well as Vista that use the DirectX 11. DirectX 9 that will be that available in Windows XP or Vista, but DirectX 11 that available into the Windows 7. If you working with the Windows Media Player, then this type of a error will be occur if your hardware is not accelerated properly. So this is required. Then GWT Glass Window Toolkit. GWT is nothing but the Glass Window Toolkit. It provides the service to manage the window, timer, surface and event queues. GWT connects the JavaFX platform to native operating system. It works as an interface between JavaFX and native operating system. The Glass Window Toolkit is present at lowest layer of JavaFX graphic stack. The Glass Window Toolkit is responsible to managing the native operating system such as managing the windows, timer and surface. Then Quantum Toolkit, it is an abstraction over the lower level component Prism, Glass, Media Engine and Web Engine. It tries to Prism and GWT together to make them available as a JavaFX. WebView. What is the use of WebView? WebView is a component of JavaFX which is used to process the HTML content. It used as a technology called a WebKit, which is internal open source web browser engine. This component support the different web technology like HTML, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, document object model as well as SVG. It also covered for the media engine as well as it used for the package contain all the class and interface that can be provide media functionality to the JavaFX. Media engine. What is the use of media engine? It using the media engine JavaFX application can support playback of audio and video media file. The package for media, it support for javafx.scene.media. This is the structure for that Java application structure. We can say that it start with the stage, scene graph. It cover the node, or we can say that root node. Then first branch node, and second this is a leaf node. So this is called the branch node and this one is a leaf node. If a branch node cover more than one leaf node, so you can connect by using this way. So what is the stage? Stage, we can say that a stage is a container, or a stage is a one window that contain all the object of JavaFX. Stage is a container that hold the scene. It contain various UI object and component for design. It is similar for a frame, like a frame in Java Swing. The stage object must be created and modified on the JavaFX application. It is represented by the stage class or a package JavaFX.stage. The primary stage is created by the platform itself. The created stage object is passed as an argument to start particular method and application class. A stage has two parameters determine its position, namely width and height. There are 5 types of a stage available, like decorated, undecorated, transparent, unified and utility. How to create a stage we will discuss in practical session. You have to call the show method to display the content of a stage. Scene. What is a scene? Scene represents the physical content of a JavaFX application. It contains all the contents of scene graph. The class scene of a package JavaFX.scene, it represents the scene object, and at instance the scene object is added only one stage. You can create the scene by instanting this scene class, as well as you can opt for the size of the scene by passing its dimension, height and width along with the root node to its constructor. Scene graph and node. Scene graph is like a tree data structure, hierarchical. It represents the content of scene. In contrast, a node is a visual or graphical object of a scene object. Here, scene graph and node may include the geometrical, means a graphical object, 2D and 3D, such as a circle, rectangle, polygon. Then UI control, it use the button, checkbox, choice box, text area, and container like layout panels, border panel, grid panel and flow pan. Media elements that cover the audio and video as well as image object. The node class of the package JavaFX.scene, it represents the node in JavaFX. This class is a superclass of all the nodes. Root node is the first scene graph, is known as a root node. It is mandatory to pass the root node to the scene graph. Means if you working with the parent and child relationship, so superclass, that is called the root class, and you can work as a leaf node as a child class. So this type of a relationship cover into the root node. And branch node as well as parent node. The node which child are known as a branch or parent. The abstract class named the parent of a package JavaFX.scene is the base class of all the parent node, and those parent node will be following type, like the group, region and web view. So what is a group? Group node is a collection or it contains the list of children node. Region means it is the based on a class of all the JavaFX node based the UI controls such as a chart, pen and control. And last, web view. This node manages the web engine and display its content. Leaf node is also called the child node. So this node, and this is the last node. So the node without the child node is known as a leaf node. For example, rectangle, ellipse, box, image view, media view are the example of leaf node. Step to create the JavaFX application we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you for attending this session.